How to download Discord on Android. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to use Discord in order to make different servers, chat with your friends, bots, communities, and various channels, and many more things, in order to install it, what you're gonna do is first of all go to Play Store, then go to search and search for Discord. After you do that, in the first you can see Discord. After you tap on Discord, tap on install. Then wait for some time until the app is being downloaded. Now you also need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection in order to download the application. After the application is downloaded, you can simply log in and use it. So this is how you can download Discord on your Android device. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.